We say the words 11 to 20. How we write that 11 to 20? Okay, wow. 11. First of all, we write 11. 11. 7. We write the 7. What spelling? 7. S-C-V-E-N. 7. Okay, wow. Now we strike out S. S strike out. We join E-L. E-L. Okay, wow. E-L. Same letters join and write E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. It's very simple, okay? E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. 12. What spelling 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. What spelling 12? T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. 13. 13 to 19. Now we write it now. Write it down. T-E-E-N. Teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. We join teen. Teen. 13. T-H-I-R. T-H-I-R. Okay? Teen. T-E-E-N. 13. Very easy now. T-H-I-R. T-E-E-N. 13. 14. 13 after 14. How we write 14? What spelling 4? Yeah, 4. U-R. 4. T join teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. 14. 1 more. 14. Next about 15. 14 after 15. How we write 15? F-I-F. F-I-F. That's all. F-I-F. We join teen. F-I-F. T-E-E-N. 15. F-I-F. T-E-E-N. 15. 1, 5, 15. 15 after 16. What spelling 6? S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. We join teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. 1, 6, 16. S-I-X. T-E-E-N. 16. 1, 6, 16. 16 after 17. What spelling 7? S-C-B-E-N. S-C-B-E-N. 7. Teen. T-E-E-N. 17. 1, 7, 17. 17 after 18. 18 now we write. What spelling 8? E-I-G-H-T. 8. Already T right here. So we don't write T. Okay, wow. E-E-N. E-E-N. 18. 18. 18 after 19. 9. What spelling 9? N-9. N-G. 9. We join teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. 19. 1, 9, 19. Okay? Last 20. How we write 20? T-W-E-N. T-Y. 20. This one change it. 20 and 12. Okay? 20. T-W-E-N. T-Y. 20. 12. T-W-E-L-P